So now let's discuss all the points that we have done in the previous video. Now we will do all the topics in detail. Reproduction in animals. Basically living organisms reproduce to form individuals. Like there are the two types of reproduction, asexual and sexual. Asexual contain only one parent. However, sexual reproduction contain two parents. Like asexual reproduction, it is a method of reproduction those animals which are very small, or we can see these animals only with the microscope, or you can say that this reproduction is only done in a microscopic animals or the small animals. Basically, as I told you, asexual reproduction contain only single parent involvement, so it is totally identical to the parent. For example, if there is a plant, money plant, if there is mother plant, then mother plant will reproduce the plant like same. There is totally identical to the parent. Asexual reproduction follow various methods like binary fission, multiple fission, budding, spore formation, fragmentation. So in your syllabus, binary fission and budding and spore formation, these three are there that we will discuss. Binary fission, it is the simplest and the fastest method of asexual reproduction. Like you can see that here, this is a binary fission. So here you can see the nucleus start to divide here, and after that the nucleus is divided into these two portions, and then the layers of these cells, cytoplasm, start to divide. After that there is a separation of two daughter cells. This is the way how amoeba reproduce. So if there is a question that how amoeba reproduce, so we will answer like this: amoeba reproduce by binary fission. First of all, there is a one cell, you can say that, then there is a division of nucleus. After that the layers starting separating, and then the cytoplasm start to divide, and the cell splits into two cells, and these two cells are known as daughter cells. After that, same process begins. These daughter cells will grow and develop into the adult individuals, and this is the most important example of asexual reproduction. There are some more examples like paramecium that you can write in the asexual reproduction. Read it carefully, just revise it again and again so you know better. Let's come to the next one, multiple fission. As we know, in the previous one, in the binary fission, we studied that there is only two daughter cells. However, in the multiple fission, there are the number of daughter cells. There are the several daughter cells. Just the example of this type of reproduction is Plasmodium. After that, this is a budding. Budding, you can say that a few animals such as sponges, hydra, they reproduce by the budding. They just reproduce here bud. This is the bud. These are the basically new individuals. This is the bud, hydra plant. It reproduce a new bud. After that, there is a development of new individual. Then it gets separate from their parent one. Now this one is taking all the food, all the important things from the parent. When it gets separated, it will prepare by itself. This is all about the budding. Next is spore formation. Spore formation that you also read in the 7th grade. These are the specialized cells that are released from the parent to be dispersed. Basically, a plant can produce so many spores, and then the spores are grown into various individuals. This is all about the spore formation. Now solve this checkpoint on your book, and then if there is any doubt, then you can ask to your teacher. Thank you everyone. I hope you understand it very well.